Hey everybody, this is Jonathan Willis, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about your real-world trauma kit and repacking it. A lot of folks, when they get it, it's kind of natural. You want to pull it apart and look at the components that are in it. And the components are the beacon chest seal, the S-mark bandage, and your North American Rescue wound packing gauze. These three components are in every kit. You can also get the kit with the combat gauze option. But I have a very specific way I load this kit so that it maintains its lowest form factor. And of course, you couple this kit with your chosen everyday carry tourniquet. So I wanted to show you a little bit about how I load each of these kits personally so that it'll maintain its form factor. I see a lot of people, when they try to repack it, it may not go back in the same order that I originally packed it. So I see that the flap tends to work itself out and it starts to look a little bit like this. And that's not how it came, and I want to show you how to reload your RWT kit. The first thing I put in each of your kits is the beacon chest seal. The beacon chest seal gets folded over like that. Starting with the kit with the flap out, the chest seal goes in first. The chest seal is what is farthest away from the flap in the pouch. So that is farthest away from the pouch. The next thing that goes in is the S-mark bandage, straight down the middle. So it's chest seal, S-mark bandage, and then our wound packing gauze folded over here is what is closest to the flap. So that maintains a nice low profile, and then the flap goes down alongside the chest seal. So that keeps everything super low profile, really clean, so that it rides in your pocket really low profile. And then we avoid this working itself out. I've carried this exact pouch. This is mine. I've carried this for, God, this was the first one that I ever received and finished. I've been carrying this one for about 7 or 8 months. And this is how it looks every day. So that's the order of operations. From the flap side, it goes chest seal, S-mark bandage, wound packing gauze, and then the flap goes down along the chest seal. So that's how you repack your RWT pocket kit. I thought this little video might help folks so that they don't have to have me take it out of their hands and repack it when I see you at a training. But I love that you guys are carrying this. Carry your trauma kit, no matter what it might be, every day. Couple it with a real primary tourniquet, and be ready for these emergency situations. That's how you repack your RWT pocket kit. Be safe, get some quality training, and we'll see you out there. Have a great day.